हेलो गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग. हाउ आर यू ऑल? कैसे बच्चे लोग? इज एवरीथिंग क्लियर? इज वीडियो ऑडियो इज एवरीथिंग क्लियर? प्लीज टेल मी फास्ट. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर रेस्पॉन्स. गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. हेमंत, निनाद, तन्मय, शुभो, दिव्या, मयूर, अतुल, मही, प्लविता, good morning. So this 12th February 2022, so we are having at the evening Civil Engineering GATE paper 2022 analysis, and I will take the guidance session on 11th February itself. Be with me, continue it. Hello Amit. Pranam Kashipur Baba. And those who are new subscribers to Unacademy, we have a super combo offer. So take 2-year subscription, 1 year free campus placement IT jobs subscription, and 1 year subscription if you take 6 months free campus placement IT jobs. Means in your college campus recruitment drive is there now. Technical skills, interview guidance, soft skills, aptitude development. So such kind of subscription is going to be free in Unacademy along with your Unacademy GATE and ESE subscription. So join Unacademy's iconic subscription, get your coach or mentor, special personalized coach, and also your test analysis, and you will be provided with Unacademy study material. So good morning Anshu Kumar. So these are the verbal ability, numerical ability under test preparation you are getting. Good morning Haripriya. These are the reasoning ability, means these are all helpful for your campus placement, programming and coding, verbal ability, numerical ability, reasoning ability. All these are helpful for your campus placement. गुड मॉर्निंग श्रवण. क्या हो गया बाबा काशीपुर? गुड मॉर्निंग ओंकार. So you are going to learn C, C++ programming, basic data structures, computer fundamentals, web development, Java, and basics of Python also you are learning by your Unacademy subscription. And 6th February at 11 a.m. So you know questions are given by me this 6th February. You know the tough level of toughness in the questions. So 11 a.m. you are having Unacademy GATE and ESE Combat. Get the scholarship. So we'll go ahead now. So today our session is related to engineering hydrology target 2022. Done. So this is a purely discussion of important formula and important theory related to hydrology. We are not going to cover A to Z in hydrology. Exactly what is needed for your exam, because this is the time where you need to focus on the most important and repeated theory and formula. It's like a quick revision of engineering hydrology. So please do remember, it's a quick revision of engineering hydrology for our target 2022 and ESE 2022. Okay. And our Rajendra Prasad sir is going to start February 9th onwards transportation engineering, ascent batch and evalu batch. RPs are going to start transportation for both 2023 students and 2024 students. Be join it. Good morning Karthik. So first we are discussing about the topic number 1, precipitation. Good morning Ashi. So the first topic under discussion is about precipitation. Is the letter size is visible? Shall I increase the size of the letter? Anyone please answer this. Will the letter size of the letter writing, is that visible to you? Shall I increase? So in an Unacademy special class it is okay with us, but here in YouTube, increase. Anshu Baba always want something new. Okay Anshu Baba, done. So first of all, we have to consider intensity of rainfall. Intensity of rainfall. I. What is intensity of rainfall? Intensity of rainfall is depth upon duration, which is expressed in millimeter per hour. This is unit. Intensity of rainfall, depth upon duration. So based on intensity, we'll classify rainfall into light rainfall, moderate rainfall, heavy rainfall. It is a revision session. Very clearly I told, it is not question solving session, it is a revision session of the subject. Madam Haripriya, Madam Haripriya, it is a question solving session. It is not a question solving session, it is a revision session for GATE and ESE. So light rainfall value between 1 to 2.5 mm per hour. Good morning Naveen Tudu. 2.5 to 7.5 mm per hour. Moderate rainfall. Greater than 7.5 mm per hour. Heavy rainfall. Then what is 0 to 1? We have given light rainfall 1 to 2.5 mm per hour. Moderate 2.5 to 7.5. Heavy greater than 7.5. If it is 0 to 1, what we can call it as? Good morning. Raz, how are you? Good. Anshu Baba, keep it up. So if it is 0 to 1 mm per hour, 0 means greater than 0 we are talking. Greater than 0 and less than 1. Greater than 0 and less than 1. We call this rainfall as drizzle. Drizzle. With a diameter of particle less than 0.5 mm. Diameter of rainwater droplet. For a drizzle, the diameter of rainwater droplet is less than 0.5 mm. And intensity 0 to 1 mm per hour. Intensity 0 to 1 mm per hour. Good morning Chaya. So we'll go ahead now. Finished this. Finished it. Please do writing fast, because we have to finish it in 1.5 hour or 1 hour 40 minutes. Now, different types of precipitation. Different types of precipitation. Forces. Different types of precipitation forces. We have matched the following question. Related to it, we have matched the following question, both GATE as well as ESE. Both in GATE as well as ESE, we have matched the following question. Convective precipitation. Convective precipitation when convective precipitation will occur? Summer season, summer rainfall. Convective precipitation is a summer rainfall caused due to temperature difference. Convective precipitation occurred caused due to temperature difference. Orographic precipitation. Orographic precipitation natural barriers. Where it occur? Convective is a temperature difference. Summer rainfall. Convective we call it as summer rainfall. Convective we call it as summer rainfall. Yes, orographic is mountain barriers, hills and mountain barrier, natural barrier. So Himalayas and Western Ghats face this orographic precipitation. Himalayas and Western Ghats are going to experience orographic precipitation. Good, Ninad. Himalayas and Western Ghats are going to face this. Frontal precipitation. Warm and cold fronts. Difference between warm and cold fronts. Warm and cold fronts are going to take care about frontal precipitation. This is a regular monsoon rainfall. Winter rainfall and monsoon rainfall is a frontal precipitation. Cyclonic precipitation. Cyclonic precipitation. Please tell me, frontal cyclonic, non-frontal cyclonic we studied now. Cyclonic precipitation is due to pressure difference हो सकता है. Pressure difference हो सकता है. Convective temperature difference, orographic natural barriers, frontal warm and cold fronts, cyclonic pressure difference. Yes, that is only in Anshu Kumar. Cold front replaces warm front, or warm front replaces cold front. Then frontal precipitation going to take place. Then cyclonic precipitation is pressure difference. Cyclonic precipitation is pressure difference. Completed, guys. Shall we move on? Completed writing. Please tell me, everyone. Done? Done? Now, number of optimum rain gauzes. In the beginning itself, I told very clearly. I am not giving everything exactly required for the exam I am giving. Please do understand this. Number of optimum rain gauzes. So first formula, N optimum. The same is called N total also. N total or N optimum, both same. Coefficient of variation upon error whole square. Coefficient of variation CV. Coefficient of variation upon error whole square. काशीपुर बाबा हेमंत कुमार 2021 सेट 1 में वेल हाइड्रोलिक्स का 2 क्वेश्चंस मिल गया. एक बात सुनो, teachers may teach well hydraulics in environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering. But according to GATE syllabus, check download PDF of GATE syllabus. Well hydraulics is in engineering hydrology. 2 questions from well hydraulics came, and that credit to engineering hydrology only, not to environmental, not to soil mechanics. Because as per GATE syllabus, well hydraulics, if you have a doubt, go download GATE syllabus PDF from IIT, check where is the word well hydraulics. Teacher to teacher it will vary. Some teachers will teach well hydraulics in environmental, some teachers will teach well hydraulics in geotechnical. But exactly well hydraulics perfectly match according to GATE and ESE syllabus is hydrology only. Coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation upon average precipitation into 100. Standard deviation upon average precipitation into 100. Coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation upon average precipitation into 100. Sigma. Standard deviation. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to under the root of P minus P average whole square upon M minus 1. P minus P average whole square upon M minus 1. M is number of existing data. M, number of existing rain gauge station, existing data. Number of existing rain gauzes or existing data. So you need n additional. क्या करेंगे आप बताओ? अरे सिलेबस में रिवर गेजिंग का नाम पे वो नहीं दिएगा, स्ट्रीम फ्लो मेजरमेंट का नाम पे दिएगा सिलेबस में. सुबोमय श्रीमणि, सुबोमय श्रीमणि सिलेबस में स्ट्रीम फ्लो मेजरमेंट का नाम पे दिएगा, वो रिवर गेजिंग का नाम पे नहीं दिएगा. एक बात चेक कर लो सिलेबस पे. एन एडिशनल, एन एडिशनल क्या हो रहा है? एन एडिशनल, एन एडिशनल, एन ऑप्टिमम माइनस एम ना, एन ऑप्टिमम माइनस एम. करेक्ट. एन ऑप्टिमम माइनस एम. एम इज नंबर ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग रेन गॉज स्टेशन, नंबर ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग रेन गॉज स्टेशन. हो गया? चलेंगे चलेंगे हम. Finished guys, please tell me fast. Write down the question. The standard deviation and average rainfall for 6 rain gauge stations, standard deviation and average rainfall for 6 rain gauge stations are given as 40 mm and 120 mm respectively. Find the accuracy percentage of existing network. Find the accuracy percentage of existing network. दिलकुश शर्मा, कैसे आप? So standard deviation is given 40 mm. Average rainfall is 120 mm. Coefficient of variation 40 upon 120 into 100. 40 upon 120 into 100. Coefficient of variation 33.33. Now, n is taken as 6. Coefficient of variation 33.33 by E whole square. CV by E whole square. E क्या मिल रहा है आपको? E error percentage बताओ. E क्या मिल रहा है आपको? 13.6. So now accuracy percentage 100 minus 13.6, 86.4. हो गया ना? Find the accuracy, because accuracy, yes, 100 minus E, accuracy का फार्मूला ले लो. accuracy का फार्मूला लिखो बाबा. 100 minus E percentage. Accuracy का फार्मूला 100 minus E percentage. Accuracy. ठीक है, हो गया. Finished it. Understand, guys? They will give standard deviation, average precipitation. Either n optimum चाहिए, n additional चाहिए, or else accuracy percentage चाहिए. ठीक है? For the same data, if error percentage is 5%, find optimum and additional number of stations. Find optimum and additional number of stations for the same data. Same data means we'll take same CV value. Same CV value we can take 33.33. Same CV value we can take now 33.33. So we'll substitute n optimum. Error is given 5%. 33.33 by 5 whole square. What is n optimum? n optimum क्या मिल रहा है आपको? बाबा थोड़ा अच्छे से कर लो. 1 होल स्क्वायर कहाँ चले गए बाबा? होल स्क्वायर, हाँ 45 n additional 45 minus 6 39 n additional 45 minus 6 39 हो गया काम. n optimum is 45, n additional is 39. हो गया काम, चलेंगे. Done guys, we'll go ahead. 45 and 39. Missing rainfall data. Missing rainfall data. Simple mean method. Simple mean method. Simple mean Px is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on. Pm upon M. Simple mean Px is equal to simple arithmetic average. Px is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. What is Px? What is Px? Missing rainfall. Missing rainfall. What is M? Number of base stations. M is number of base station. Px is missing rainfall, M is number of base station. So the most favorite method for GATE exam. GATE and IS का most favorite method था normal ratio method. बहुत ज़्यादा important वाला. Very 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 important. Please put star marks. ठीक है, नॉर्मल रेशियो मेथड. Px is equal to nx upon m, nx upon m, P1 by n1 plus P2 by n2 and so on, Pn by nm. Sorry, Pm by nm. Pm by nm. What is n? Wherever you take n, n is normal annual rainfall. N is normal annual rainfall. Px is equal to nx by m into P1 by n1 plus P2 by n2 plus P3 by n3 and so on. N is normal annual rainfall, normal ratio method. हो गया काम, चलेंगे. Finished. Tell me guys fast. So this is the data given: normal rainfall, normal annual rainfall and rainfall value. Rainfall for C is required for us. Rainfall for C is required for us. N and P given separately. It is easy calculation. Precipitation for C, 360 by 3 into 72 by 190 plus 46 by 240 plus 62 by 200. So precipitation for C. Please do calculations properly. I don't know what is the answer actually. Ashish Sharma, please do the calculation properly. $105.67 mm. 105.67 mm. So got it? Normal ratio method, precipitation for C. Normal ratio method, precipitation for C. Got it ना? Clear? चलेंगे हम. Ashin, N value provided for you, please do understand. What is the necessity of providing N value? If N not provided, then you have to take it na. Please do understand. N not provided, then you can take by missing rainfall. Ashish Sharma, understand this. Good morning. Ashi, you got the point. N is not given, N values provided na. Normal ratio method, N value provided. Please do understand, that is why we are following. हो गया काम. Now, average rainfall determination. Mean precipitation calculation. Mean precipitation calculation, average rainfall determination. Mean precipitation calculation, average rainfall determination. So again we go with our regular arithmetic mean na? Arithmetic mean method. Yes or no? We know this simple arithmetic mean. P average from the given data, simple arithmetic average, P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on, Pn. Now you take N. N means total available data. Total available data, number of precipitation values available. So P1 plus P2 plus P3 and so on, Pn by N. Average rainfall determination. So this is for a catchment. This is for a catchment. For example, this is a catchment. Rain gauge station A here, rain gauge station B, rain gauge station C and D. 4 rain gauges are there. For the entire catchment area, we need one value of precipitation. For the entire catchment area, we need one value of rainfall. So arithmetic mean method, P average. Simple mean, sum of precipitation values by number of precipitation values. So this is not required actually. This much easy, not given in the exam na. This much easy, not given in the exam na. हमको क्या चाहिए? Thiessen polygon method. Thiessen polygon method चाहिए. Thiessen polygon method. The entire catchment is divided into different polygons. Polygon A, polygon B, polygon C and D. The catchment is divided now. 4 polygons. So for each polygon area is derived. So we go with average, weighted average. P average is equal to P1A1 plus P2A2 plus P3A3. So this is a weighted average na. PNAN upon A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on. AN. Thyssen polygon. You know it na, Thyssen polygonal method. You know it very well, Thyssen polygonal method. And Thyssen weights given in the data. P1 TW1 Thyssen weight था plus P2 TW2 plus Thyssen weight था. P3 TW3 and so on. PN TWN. What is a Thyssen weight? Individual area upon total area. Thyssen weight भी ले लो आप individual area by total area. Thyssen polygon method. P1 into TW1 plus P2 into TW2 plus P3 into TW3 and so on. Now Thyssen weight क्या है? Thyssen weight is equal to A1 by A or A2 by A or A3 by A, individual area by total area. Sum of Thyssen weights क्या हो रहा है? बताओ जल्दी. Sum of Thyssen weights are given to you. What is the sum of Thyssen weights? Sum of Thyssen weights is equal to 1. Sum of Thyssen weights is equal to 1. Sum of Thyssen weights equal to 1 हो रहा है. 1 हो गया. चलेंगे हम. Completed guys. Third method. Isoheital method. The regions of equal depth of rainfall. That is called isoheight. Regions of equal depth of rainfall is called isoheight. So from that equal depth of rainfall, now we are taking P average A1 into P1 plus P2 by 2, A2 into P2 plus P3 by 2 and so on. AN minus 1 into Pn minus 1 plus Pn by 2. Divided by A1 plus A2 and so on AN minus 1. A1 plus A2 and so on AN minus 1. Total area. Very good Anshu, very good Aman. And in this regard, what you can do, you calculate isoheital precipitation values separately, so that your exam confusion nahi ho raha hai. So if you don't want to be confused, isohytal precipitation values, you can calculate separately IP1, P1 plus P2 by 2, IP2, P2 plus P3 by 2, IP3, P3 plus P4 by 2. So individually first you finish it. So after completing, simple weighted average only will come. If you are calculating IP1, IP2, IP3 individually, isohytal precipitation values. Now P average क्या हो रहा है? P average is equal to sum of individual area into isohytal precipitation upon sum of area. This is only going to happen now. What we can write? If already you know isohytal precipitation, A1 into IP1, A2 into IP2, A3 into IP3 and so on, divided by A1 plus A2 plus A3 and so on you can write now. This is only you can write now. So first you calculate for isohytal precipitation. आपका एग्जाम में वो सिंपल हो रहा है, आपका एग्जाम में बहुत इजी में कंप्लीट हो सकता है. प्लीज डू अंडरस्टैंड दैट आइसोहाइटल प्रेसिपिटेशन पहले भी कैलकुलेट करो. हो गया काम? Please tell me, finished writing. Shall we go ahead? Yes, this is most accurate method. Best method to derive average precipitation. Best method or most accurate method. Anshu, keep it up. Best method or most accurate method to derive average precipitation. Now, rainfall values, area in kilometer square, rainfall in millimeter. Area in kilometer square, so now we need average precipitation. Please do it. Yes, Naveen Kumar, perfect. Because we are taking average of two cases, this end of catchment and this end of catchment, उनका average ले लिया and पूरा area consider कर लिया. That is why it will be best. Two ends of precipitation values taken and its average is considered. That is why it is considered to be best. So we need average precipitation. Average precipitation चाहिए तो हमको पहले क्या करेंगे? आईपी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करेंगे. आईपी आइसोहाइटल प्रेसिपिटेशन ले लो. 6, 9, 15, 21, 27. These are only isohytal values. Please confirm me. Please confirm me. Is these are isohytal values or not? Please confirm me. Now P average 6 into 120, 9 into 160, 15 into 200, 21 into 140, 27 into 100, 120, 160, 200, 140, 100. So what you are getting? 6 into 120, 9 into 160, 15 into 200, 21 into 140, 27 into 100. So बहुत ज़्यादा important था, बस सिर्फ 6B ले लो, average मत ले लो, because it is not given 0 to 6. Please do understand. It is not written 0 to 6. That is why 6. But this one is average only, na? 6 plus 12 by 2. 6 plus 12 by 2, 9. 12 plus 18 by 2, 15. 18 plus 24 by 2, 21. 24 plus 30 by 2, 27. But that is directly taken because 0 not mentioned. 0 not mentioned. So 15 mm is your answer. 15 mm मिल रहा है आपको? हो गया काम. 15 mm मिल रहा है आपका? हो गया काम. चलेंगे. We'll move on now. Now, ISO height क्या है? ISO height line joining equal depth of rainfall. Line joining equal depth of rainfall. आइसोनिफ क्या है? आइसोनिफ इक्वल, आइसोनिफ बताओ जल्दी. आइसोनिफ इक्वल स्नोफॉल डेप्थ. गुड अतुल. इक्वल स्नोफॉल डेप्थ. आइसोप्लीत क्या है? आइसोप्लीत, आइसोप्लीत का बारे में बताओ. यस आयन, यू कैन गेट द पीडीएफ, नो डाउट. इसका पीडीएफ मिल सकेंगे आपको. यू जस्ट चेक अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल. आयन, यू चेक अवर टेलीग्राम चैनल, पीडीएफ मिल जाएगा आपको. अरे आइसोप्लीत का precipitation कृष्ण चैतन्य equal potential evapotranspiration. Equal potential evapotranspiration PET. Isopleet equal potential evapotranspiration PET. Isopluvial क्या है? Isopluvial क्या है? Please tell me. ISO height, isonif, isopleet, isopluvial. Isopluvial क्या है? अरे बताओ जल्दी, प्लूवियल का मीनिंग क्या है? आइसोप्लूवियल equal depth and return period. Equal depth and return period. Frequency. Isopluvial is the line joining equal depth and return period. Oh, Mudassir, you are only. So you will get, you are in the group na Mudassir, you will get the PDF, no doubt. Equal depth and equal return period. Equal flow velocity, isowell. Equal flow velocity, isowell. Isochrone क्या है? The last one. Isochrome. Isochrone. Equal time of concentration. Isochrone is equal time of concentration. So equal depth of rainfall, equal snowfall depth, equal precipitation, equal depth and return period, equal flow velocity, equal time of concentration. Done? So this is the match the following questions will come. 1 mark questions in GATE and also individual questions. Each individual question will come in ESE. 1 mark question will come. Match the following will come. Individual questions also will come. Very, very, very important models. चलेंगे हो गया काम हो गया काम नाउ कर्व पैरामीटर्स कर्व एंड पैरामीटर्स पहले आदमी हमारा मोस्ट फेवरेट था. We have solved so many numerical questions on this. Hyetograph. Intensity versus time curve. Intensity versus a time curve. Second one, rainfall mass curve. Rainfall mass curve. Cumulative depth of rainfall versus time. This is given in the exam. Accumulated flow. Accumulated flow, cumulative depth of rainfall versus time. Cumulative depth of rainfall versus time. Accumulated flow versus time. Rainfall mass curve. Rainfall double mass curve. Rainfall double mass curve. Very important to check consistency of rainfall record. Good, Adarsh. Adarsh, very good. To check consistency of rainfall record. Average normal annual rainfall of base stations versus cumulative normal annual rainfall of station X. This is only na rainfall double mass curve. Cumulative average, cumulative. This is also cumulative. Cumulative average annual rainfall of base stations versus cumulative normal annual rainfall of station X. Rainfall double mass curve. Rainfall double mass curve. Cumulative normal average rainfall of base station versus cumulative normal average rainfall of station X. Fourth one, Hydrograph. Hydrograph is discharge versus time. Hydrograph is discharge versus time. DAD curve. Depth, area, duration curve. Depth, area, duration curve. Falling curve. It is falling curve only. I think you remember that. This is the diagram. This is the diagram where we are taking area on x-axis, depth on y-axis, depth directly proportional to duration, inversely proportional to area. Depth directly proportional to duration, inversely proportional to area. Flow duration curve. So tell me anyone, flow duration curve का बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओ. Anyone please tell me. Anyone please tell me, थोड़ा सा बताओ फ्लो ड्यूरेशन कर्व का बारे में. Abhiraz Anil. Hello Abhiraz Anil. This is just a revision course. I have not taught completely, just I am giving outlines. For those students who have already completed, I am giving just outlines. Nothing there to teach here. Flow duration curve. Discharge versus percentage of time. Percentage of time of flow equaled or exceeded. Percentage of time of flow equaled or exceeded. Flow duration curve, discharge versus percentage of time of flow equaled or exceeded. That is a flow duration curve. Flow duration curve. Yes, percentage exceeded versus discharge. Good. Good. Q versus percentage of time exceeded. सुबोमय श्रीमणि, आपका फुल लेंथ नोट्स में पूरा मिल जाएगा आपको. सुबोमय. So if we write everything in the full length notes, it will take again 30 hours. So please do understand, we have to finish it fast. Only required points we are discussing. IDF curve, DAD curve will be same, na? Falling curves only both. IDF curve and DAD curve are both same. Falling curves only, Babu Srimani. Frequency of point rainfall. Frequency of point rainfall. Yes, Subho, that will come in a topic of runoff estimation. That does not come under precipitation, but for our clarity I have written it. Subhomai, don't confuse and don't panic. Please do remember, don't confuse, don't panic. This is coming in the topic of runoff estimation, maximum flood estimation. We discuss at the time of hydrograph category. But why I have written now? At one glance you can get everything summary. Frequency of point rainfall. So in this first we need return period. Return period. The time taken to return back the rainfall occurred. Rainfall which is occurred today. Today at a Subhomai house there is a rainfall flood. Frequency of, understand, टुडे आज का दिन सुबोमय का घर पे एक फ्लड हुआ था. उनका डेप्थ 20 सेंटीमीटर और सेम फ्लड ऑफ 20 सेंटीमीटर और ग्रेटर देन 20 सेंटीमीटर कब रिटर्न हो जाएगा? अगेन इट विल कम आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स? सुबोमय का घर पूरा फ्लड में गिर गया, चले गया. सो सेम फ्लड ऑफ सेम इंटेंसिटी, सेम ड्यूरेशन, आफ्टर हाउ मेनी ईयर्स अगेन इट विल कम बैक? दैट इज कॉल्ड रिटर्न पीरियड. वो रिटर्न पीरियड कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमको विबुल फार्मूला, सुबोमय फेवरेट फार्मूला, T is equal to n plus 1 by m, विबुल फार्मूला, हेजन फार्मूला, T is equal to n upon m minus 1, कैलिफोर्निया फार्मूला, T is equal to n upon m. T is equal to, अरे 2n 2m कहां से मिल गया आपको? सुबोध दादा कहां से मिल गया 2n 2m? n by m minus 1 only, don't take 2. अरे कहां चल गए आप? n is number of variables in data. N is number of variables in data. N upon m minus 1, हाँ n अपॉन m माइनस 0.5 हो गया. डन. m माइनस 0.5 हेजन में. So n is the number of variables in data. M rank assigned to the rainfall under analysis. Rank assigned to the rainfall under analysis. So means for what value of discharge you are analyzing, for what value of depth you are analyzing, उनका rank assign किया. और rank का information m data rank. Yes, that is 0.5 only. N upon m minus 0.5 only. N upon m minus 0.5 only. Don't worry. ठीक है, हो गया काम. चलेंगे हम. Second one, probability P is equal to 1 by T. Probability P is equal to 1 by P. Not probability 1 minus P. Not probability 1 minus P. P naught. P naught is probability of not occurrence at all. Never it is occurring. Do understand this. The rainfall of depth 16 centimeter does not occur at all in n successive years. At all in n successive years. The rainfall of depth certain value does not occur at all in n successive years. P naught q power n. P naught q power n. Now, probability of occurrence R times in n years, n successive years. Probability of occurrence R times in n successive years. Probability of occurrence R times in n successive years. P RN. PRN. PRN क्या हो रहा है? We'll take NCR formula. NCR P power R Q power n minus R. PRN is equal to NCR P power R Q power n minus R. P power R Q power n minus R. So उनको एलाबोरेट करेंगे हम. NCR को एलाबोरेट करेंगे. यस, बाइनोमियल फार्मूला, फैक्टोरियल वाला. फैक्टोरियल आदमी ले लो. n फैक्टोरियल अपॉन n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल into r factorial p power r q power n minus r. n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial p power r into q power n minus r. Probability of occurrence r times in n years. Probability of occurrence r times in n years. So fifth हो गया काम. Sixth one, very, very important, most repeated in GATE. Probability of occurrence at least once. Probability of occurrence at least once in n successive years. Good, Srimani. Probability of occurrence in n successive years. उनका और एक नाम था हमको. उनका और एक नाम था हाइड्रोलॉजिक रिस्क. हाइड्रोलॉजिक रिस्क R percentage. Hydrologic risk R percentage. So the same occurrence once in n successive year, P1 percentage. Probability of occurrence at least one time in n successive year. Hydrological risk of the structure, hydraulic structure, culvert, bridge, dam, spillway, whatever it may be. उनका रिस्क परसेंटेज चाहिए हमको. उनका रिस्क परसेंटेज ले लो 1 minus q power n into 100. परसेंटेज चाहिए तो 100 ले लो. परसेंटेज नहीं चाहिए तो 100 मत ले लो. परसेंटेज चाहिए तो 100 ले लो. परसेंटेज नहीं चाहिए तो 100 मत ले लो. अभी आई विल गिव यू अ सिंगल फार्मूला. 1 minus 1 by t whole power n. 1 minus 1 by t whole power n into 100. Understand? 1 minus q power n into 100. Q is 1 minus p. P is 1 by t. Q is 1 minus p na? P is 1 by t. So 1 minus 1 by t whole power n into 100. Hydrological risk R percentage or P1 percentage. Completed, guys. We'll move on. We'll go ahead, finished it. Probability of occurrence at least once in n successive year, hydrologic risk R percentage है. चलेंगे, हो गया काम, हो गया. Now, probable maximum precipitation PMP, probable maximum precipitation PMP, P average plus K sigma, P average plus K sigma, P bar plus K sigma. So if they want to try new thing, unsure, till now not given question, if they want to try, the most possible is this one. If they want to repeat previous questions, it is not important. Suddenly if they want to experiment with a new question, वो न्यू क्वेश्चन का बारे में वो चाहिए. PMP, maximum depth of rainfall, maximum depth of rainfall which is physically possible, maximum depth of rainfall which is physically possible. Probable maximum precipitation PMP, P bar plus K sigma, maximum depth of rainfall which is physically possible. So in this K क्या है? K is equal to, for infinite data, YT minus 0.578 by 1.2825. For infinite data, n is infinity. The given rainfall data is infinity. You take K is equal to YT. YT is not YouTube Babu. That is a factor. Depth related factor YT. YT frequency and depth related factor YT minus YN. YT minus YN क्या है? 0.578 divided by SN क्या है? 1.2825. 1.2825. YT minus YN by SN. Actual formula YT minus YN by SN. YN 0.578, SN 1.2825. So YT कहाँ मिल जाएगा आपको? YT कहाँ मिल जाएगा? YT minus LN into minus LN into 1 minus P. Minus LN into 1 minus P. So YT is given, formula given now. Probability based on probability percentage. Exceedance percentage, probability percentage basis पे. Probability fraction or percentage. Probability of occurrence ले लो. Probability of occurrence ले लो. Probability of occurrence ले लो. So उनका बारे में आपको YT मिल जाएगा. Probability of occurrence minus LN into 1 minus P. YT मिल जाएगा. YT substituted K is going to get. Understand now. Probable maximum precipitation, maximum depth of rainfall which is physically possible. P bar plus K sigma. K is YT minus 0.578. K is YT minus 0.578 by 1.2825. YT minus YN by SM. YT minus YN by SM. Then YT. हो गया. So our target is paper 2 first of all ना. Environmental science and engineering paper था हमारा target. So that is why I am jumping to well hydraulics. The questions will come from well hydraulics in it. And after that paper we will discuss about hydrograph. Tuesday or Wednesday, Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, we will discuss about hydrograph. हमारा टारगेट पहले पेपर 2 एनवायरमेंटल साइंस इंजीनियरिंग पेपर, सो उनके लिए वेल हाइड्रोलिक्स बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था. सो वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन वेल हाइड्रोलिक्स. ठीक है. नाउ वेल हाइड्रोलिक्स में वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट porosity n. Yes, we will do both. Adarsh Anand, geotechnical will do, remaining hydrology topics will do from next week Monday onwards. Monday onwards geotechnical and remaining hydrology topics we will do, don't worry. पेपर 2 में इन्फिल्ट्रेशन में भी मिल जाएगा, बट बिसाइड्स इन्फिल्ट्रेशन एंड हाइड्रोग्राफ वेल हाइड्रोलिक्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. निनाद, बिसाइड वेल इन्फिल्ट्रेशन हाइड्रोग्राफ वेल हाइड्रोलिक्स इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर पेपर 2. कोर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पेपर में इन्फिल्ट्रेशन हाइड्रोग्राफ चाहिए हमको. कोर सिविल इंजीनियरिंग पेपर में चाहिए वो. V by VV, sorry, VV by V, VV by V. Volume of voids upon volume of formation. Volume of voids upon volume of formation. Volume of voids upon volume of aquifer, porosity. Volume of voids upon volume of aquifer, porosity. हो गया. Now change in groundwater storage. Change in groundwater storage in terms of volume. Change in groundwater storage in terms of volume ले लो. Delta GWS, we call this delta GWS, change in groundwater storage in terms of volume. Specific yield into surface area of aquifer, specific yield into surface area of aquifer into delta GWT, change in depth, change in depth of water table, change in depth of water table. Delta GWS, change in groundwater storage, specific yield into surface area of aquifer into change in groundwater table, change in depth ले लो, change in depth ले लो. So change in groundwater table, delta GWT. हो गया. This is very important. Either they will ask depth, or they will ask specific yield, or they will ask volume. Out of the 4, volume important, depth important, specific yield important, they will give surface area, don't worry. Surface area given in the data. Then discharge is equal to Q is equal to KIA. KIA, velocity. Velocity, what we call this velocity? Apparent velocity. Apparent velocity, KI. Apparent velocity, KI. VA. VA is called actual velocity. Actual velocity is apparent velocity upon porosity. Apparent velocity upon porosity, V by N, Ki by N, Ki by N. Actual velocity is apparent velocity by porosity, V by N, Ki by N. Ki by N. Ashi, what you are saying? Discharge by apparent velocity will get area. Discharge by apparent velocity will get area. If we need actual velocity, Ki by N. So here time of travel of tracer. The questions we are getting, time of travel of water or tracer. They will ask question. From well 1 to well 2. From well 1 to well 2. These are questions regularly we are observing now. Time of travel of water from well 1 to well 2 or tracer from well 1 to well 2. Time of travel of water from well 1 to well 2 or a tracer from well 1 to well 2. What we can take? Time is equal to distance by velocity. You just take this. You calculate velocity using this formula. Calculate velocity using this formula. That is actual discharge. If the question is actual discharge, KIA by N ले लो. सिर्फ theoretical discharge बताओ KIA. Actual discharge KIA by N, theoretical discharge KIA. So now time of travel of tracer T is equal to distance by velocity. Distance by velocity. Velocity is actual velocity Ki by N. हो गया? I you know it ना? I क्या है? Delta H by L. Head by length. Head by length. Delta H by L, I is equal to delta H by L, head by distance of travel. Head by distance of travel. Now, yield of well. Yield of well from nothing given, very good. Porosity given, you take actual. Porosity not given, apparent. Simple. Porosity नहीं दिए तो actual कैसा मिल जाएगा आपको? छोड़ दो. Porosity is given in the data, take it and calculate it. That's it. Understand? That depending upon whether porosity is given in the data, not given in the data. That's it. So, yield of well, unconfined aquifer, Q is equal to pi k, H2 square minus H1 square upon Ln R2 by R1. H2 square up minus H1 square upon Ln R2 by R1. Unconfined aquifer, मालूम था आपको? Pi k into maximum depth square minus minimum depth square. H2 क्या है? Maximum depth. H1 क्या है? Minimum depth. R2 maximum distance, R1 minimum distance. So K coefficient of permeability. Coefficient of permeability. K is coefficient of permeability. Q is equal to pi k H2 square minus H1 square by Ln R2 by R1. और confined aquifer का ले लो. Confined aquifer का ले लो. Confined aquifer. Q is equal to 2 pi kb H2 minus H1 Ln R2 by R1. Same. 2 pi kb maximum depth minus minimum depth by ln maximum distance by minimum distance. In place of R2 you take radius of influence. In place of R1 you take radius of well. Understand this. R2 or capital R, R1 or small r or RW. Anything you can take, both cases. Both cases I am saying. R2 or capital R, R1 or small r or RW. H2 और कैपिटल H भी ले लो. H2 प्लेस में कैपिटल H भी ले लो आप. H1 प्लेस में स्मॉल h भी ले लो. H1 प्लेस में स्मॉल h भी ले लो. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन गिवन डेटा, बेस्ड अपॉन गिवन डेटा. यस, S2 माइनस S1 आदर्शानंद, S2 माइनस S1 भी ले लो. S2 माइनस इफ ड्रा डाउन इज गिवन, S1 माइनस S2 ले लो, नॉट S2 माइनस S1. ड्रा डाउन गिवन, S1 माइनस S2 ले लो. ड्रा डाउन गिवन S1 माइनस S2. प्लीज डू अंडरस्टैंड. इफ ड्रा डाउन गिवन 2 pi kb S1 minus S2 ln R2 by R1. 2 pi kb S1 minus S2 ln R2 by R1. हो गया. Completed this one. Understand now. Understand this. Yes, that's it, Anshu. That's it. Whether it is maximum, minimum, that is only important. That is only important. Big, small, correct. Big, small, maximum, minimum, highest, lowest. Highest, lowest. Recuperation test. Recuperation test related to open well. Recuperation test related to open well. Q is equal to CAH. Q is equal to CAH. Now C is equal to 1 by T ln H1 by H2. 1 by T ln H1 by H2. H1 is original head. H1 is initial head. Original head or initial head. H2 क्या है? H1 minus head recuperated. Means after recuperation test final head. Remaining head. After the experiment completed, once recuperation experiment completed, final remaining head क्या है वो ले लेंगे हम. But they don't give final head to you. They always give head recuperated. H1 initial head, H2 final head. But in the data they never provide you final head. They provide initial head and recuperated head. So H1 minus head recuperated is H2. And capital H head depressed हो जाता है. Head depressed. Head depressed. This is capital head, capital H, head depressed. So finally you are getting Q is equal to CAH. Q is equal to CAH. That is yield from open well. Specific capacity. We call Q as a specific capacity or yield. Specific capacity or yield from open well. Specific capacity or yield from open well. Q is equal to CH. हो गया? So it is important if you feel if a new question want to try. That is what. Till now zero. Till now GATE and ESE में zero question in any exam zero question था. But if they want to give new question, this one. And I have a question to you. Tomorrow shall we continue hydrology revision or tomorrow you need SWM, solid waste management. और एक क्लास भी हो सकता है कल, इधर सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट हो सकता है और हाइड्रोलॉजी रिवीजन हो सकता है. क्या चाहिए आपको बताओ, क्या चाहिए आपको? हाइड्रोलॉजी रिवीजन चाहिए, सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग सेशन चाहिए? SWM. ठीक है, because we have more weightage for solid waste management. We'll do it tomorrow. Because paper 2 में hydrology will continue on Monday. Yes, please do understand. पेपर 2 एनवायरमेंटल साइंस पेपर में हमको बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था सॉलिड वेस्ट बिसाइड हाइड्रोलॉजी. पेपर 2 में सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था, ज्यादा मार्क्स मिल जाएगा आपको. सो सिविल पेपर के लिए हाइड्रोलॉजी चाहिए, हमको हाइड्रोलॉजी चाहिए. सो दोज हु आर एस्पिरेंट्स ऑफ पेपर 2, दोज हु आर राइटिंग, वी हैव टू सपोर्ट देम. So we'll go with SWM, then we'll go with hydrology on Monday. Okay guys, okay done. नाइट में हाइड्रो कर लो, सुबह ओके. सो टुडे नाइट 9:30 का सेशन चाहिए. आई विल प्लान दैट इज बेस्ट. आई थिंक सो टुडे नाइट 9:30 का मिल जाएगा आप, 9:30 का मिल जाएगा आप. डन, ठीक है, प्लान करेंगे. डन. ओके, टुडे नाइट 9:30 का सेशन प्लान करेंगे हाइड्रोलॉजी के लिए. डन हो गया. सो नॉट मंडे, टुडे एट 9:30. डन हो गया काम. ओके गाइस, डन. पेपर 1 के लिए 2 मार्क्स था. सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट पेपर 1 के लिए, पेपर 1 के लिए 2 मार्क्स था. 2 मार्क्स था हमको. ठीक है, प्लीज डू लाइक एवरीवन. So let inform your friends to join, because after GATE so many students will join. Let them to join Unacademy subscription plus or iconic subscription. Refer your friends to follow your beloved KP sir, to dedicate hacks. Please do remember this guys. Let inform your friends to follow your beloved KP sir. आपका beloved KP sir के follow करके बोलो Unacademy पे. हैड्स डेडिकेट करना चाहता है आप भी हैड्स डेडिकेट कर लो. और आपका दोस्तों का, प्यारी दोस्तों का बताओ, प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन और आइकनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो. हमारा यूनिवर्सल कोड यूज करो केपी सिविल. ठीक है. बाय बाय ऑल ऑफ यू. मीट अगेन 9:30. आज का दिन 9:30 स्पेशल क्लास में मिल जाएंगे. गुड नाइट, बाय बाय.